Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see about the Meta's new translation tool called No Language Left Behind. They shortly call that as NLLB. So this is a translation tool that can help to translate 200 languages that makes the technology available for more people.
Language is the key to inclusion. If you don't understand what people are saying or writing, you can be left behind.
Let's see the pros and cons of NLLB.
Tackling 200 different languages with the same model.
So this is a new AI model that can translate 200 languages, making the technology accessible for more people. So here are the takeaways that they are telling. This latest AI model can translate up to 200 different languages and improve the quality of the translations with an average of 44%. To develop high quality machine translation capabilities for most of the languages, and they say that it's 40% higher. It has performed better the quality wise, and for some African and Indian based languages, NLLB translations were 70% more accurate. So that's what they are telling. And to best evaluate and improve NLLB, so they have also built the Flows 200 data set that enables researchers to assess this model's performance in 40,000 different language directions. And they are also awarding up to $200,000 of grants for impactful uses of NLLB, 200 to researchers and non-profit organizations that are particularly focused on the sustainability, food security, and gender-based violence, education, or other areas in support of UN Sustainable Development Goals. And it seems like nonprofits are interested in NLLB to translate to more African languages, as well as researchers working in linguistics. Great. This research advancements will support more than 25 billion translations served every day in feed on Facebook, Instagram, and other technologies. So you can also look at this link and explore the demo of NLLB 200 and take a deeper dive to understand how they have developed the model and expanded translation and greater inclusions. So here are the handful of languages, including English, Mandarin, Spanish, and Arabic. So these are the most famous languages that dominating the web. Native speakers of these very widely spoken languages may take enough of this. Let's see the demo of NLLB, how this works. So I'm going to click on this one. So this is a demo page that they are telling. We have created a demo that uses the latest AI advancements from the NLLB No Language Left Behind project to translate books from their languages of origin, such as Indonesian, Somali, and Burmese, into more languages for readers, with hundreds available in the coming months. With this AI tool, families can now read stories together from around the world in a language that works for them. Let's go to this, and I'm going to read the story. It's written in English, as you can see. Written by Nabila. To this story, so this is in Indonesian. For example, if you want to translate in English, you can go and click on English, and you just need to click on translate. So that story, which was in Indonesian before, it has been translated to English. If you like this translation, then you can give a thumbs up to this, or otherwise thumbs down if you don't like this translation from Indonesian to English. Okay, let's click on something else. For example, Bengali, for example. Let's click on the translate. So this is Bengali. I don't know Bengali, but if you know Bengali, then you can read this. And if you like this translation, then obviously give a thumbs up. And you can also, let's see if we can able to change the language, source language. So we can't able to change the source language. It is written in Indonesian, but you can translate to any other languages. We'll give Bengali and it should display Bengali and you can rate this translation. So let's move on to the next story, as this is also written in Indonesian and translated in Bengali. They have three levels, it seems, like experimental, intermediate, and advanced. So as you can see that experimental, the translation is usable and meaningful in majority of sentences, and errors may still be frequent, and overall meaning will be conveyed. So for example, in the intermediate, overall meaning will be conveyed most of the time, although some significant error may still be present. Advanced, so in this case sentence level errors will be less frequent and still present and predominantly stylistic. Auto translation is always improving, and even when translating advanced languages, mistranslations can potentially happen. Some translations may be post edited to remove catastrophic errors. So they are asking us to help their ongoing research by leaving feedback on any errors. Right. Okay, sounds good. And let's move on to next story. So similarly, this one has been converted to Bengali. Let's see other languages. There is Gujarati, Korean, Lingurian here. So this allows only a few languages, mainly these languages: Gujarati, Korean, Lingurian, and Portuguese, Spanish, Turkish, Ukrainian, Chinese. Okay, so they have 21 stories that can be converted to any languages that are in the drop down. Applying AI techniques to Facebook and Instagram for translation of low resource languages. Building for an inclusive metaverse. So translating Wikipedia for everyone, helping volunteers, editors make information available in more languages. And it seems that they are working along with the Wikimedia Foundation's content translation tool is supporting Wikipedia editors as they translate information in their native language. And Wikipedia editors are using this technology to translate and edit articles originating in other underrepresented languages. Let's go to the technical part of it. So machine translation, that's explained here, and automatic data set construction. So training data is constructed containing sentences in the input language and desired output language. So here are the three stages in the machine translation. The first thing is automatic data set construction, and the second step is the training, and third stage is the evaluation. So this is a challenge that they have faced when building this NLLB translation tool. The laser models used for this data set creation process. So that's primarily support only mid to high resource languages. So it was impossible for them to produce accurate translation paths for low resource languages. So these are modeling 200 languages. The context is this. So this is a multilingual MP systems. This has been improved upon bilingual systems. It has the ability to enable the transfer from language paths with plenty of training data to other languages with few training resources. So this is another challenge, that jointly training hundreds of language paths together has the disadvantages, as the same model must represent increasingly large number of languages with the same number of parameters. This is an issue when the data sizes are very imbalanced, as it can cause overfitting. Another challenges in evaluating the translation quality, that is machine translation model are typically evaluated by comparing machine translated sentences with human translation. However, for many languages, reliable translation data is not available, and so accurate evaluations are not possible. Research milestones: overcoming numerous industry challenges along the way.
I believe the research community can benefit from that to build something even better.
So you can read more about this in this wiki page. You can also see the paper and model and what's a benchmark. And there's more to learn about NLLB and even more to accomplish with it. You can go through the white paper, and they have reached up to 200 languages. Okay, so you can see the data sets that they have used and see the frameworks and tools. You can go through the research areas, publications. So that's it. That's all about NLLB. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. And if you have any comments, please write it in the comment section. Stay tuned by subscribing to our channel. Thank you.